internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an Inku crate unboxing video. It has been quite a while since I actually got to unbox anything from Inku crate. There was some confusion. They ended up sending me like a duplicate box when I thought I was supposed to get the March box, and it was a whole back and forth, and it turned out there was no March box. I have no idea what happened, but that's why it feels like, at least for me, it feels like I've missed a month because there was like some issue with the boxes, but it's hopefully all sorted out now. And I have no idea which month this is. I think they stopped actually listing the months on the boxes and the packaging, so now I'm not quite sure, but it says spring, so that could either be March or April. I have no idea. Let's just go with the spring box. So yeah, let's get right into it. This is cute. This is a little Sanrio coaster, which, not gonna lie, perfect, because I do have a coaster on my desk. But if you look at any of my Instagram photos, I've started using it more as a prop for like taking photos, and I'm using it now to store little bits of jewelry in it, washi tape, just things that I reach for often. And so I can't put my cup on it anymore because there's no space. So this is very timely. I think I'm going to actually use this on my desk. And I mean, Pachaco's one of my favorite characters, so this is so cute. Then this is like little glue stick. Roller glue. Okay. Oh, I haven't had these in ages. It's, I don't know if it's a specific brand, Potato Club. But yeah, it's a little roller glue. I had these when I was a teenager, as a kid growing up, and loved them. But if you don't use them often, this part here, the roller stuff, the roller dispenser can get really sticky. The glue hardens, and then it's not very functional afterwards. So that's probably why I stopped buying them, but this is very cute. And then there's all this like, not confetti, but like little bits of blue paper. So this looks like pencil case. Sumiko Gurashi pencil case, I think. You know what? I should just have a look at this. I don't think it is a pencil case. It's just a pouch. Right, okay. It's just a standard pouch because there's no zip. So there's like buttons, studs on each side, and then you can open this up here, and then there's a bit of paper here, so I guess you could just store anything in the middle. Okay, yeah, I mean, I don't know, what would you store? I guess you could store pens in here. It's not the most practical. It's really cute. Oh man, I would have much preferred a pencil case, like just a little zipper here along the side. It would have been great, because I can't really decide what I would use this for, just like a general pouch. But I do love this. I've actually been looking for this for my keys, so something like this is actually really handy to hang on. We do have a couple pens that I'll do at the end of the video. Letter set. I knew it. I like every box will have a letter set. Well, if you watched my last Zenpop box, you know that I'm storing these away now to hopefully dispatch a whole bunch of them to the lettering or the pen pal community. I'm not sure what they refer to, but this is really cute, My Melody. So yes, going in the box. And then we have some really chocolate washi tape. This is kind of cute. Little rabbit, chocolate, squirrel? I'm not sure. Chocolate. I don't think this is themed or anything. I don't actually really know the characters, but it is cute. And then before we get into the pens, it's like a little note and pencil set. I'll open this up. Yeah, pencil, standard pencil, and then little notebook. All right, now I think about it, I think this is only one pen, because so we've got this pen here, which is, I will test this out at the end of the video, Tombow Play Color Jewel Tip. This I thought was a pen. I actually think this might be an eraser. Yeah, it feels really, it's wrapped in plastic. But you can see on the tip here, this is an eraser. Let me open this up. Okay, yeah, you can see it's an eraser that has like a cardboard layer around it. And you can just, yeah, it doesn't move right now, but yeah, you can use this and then just kind of tear the paper down as you go. I thought there was like little cuts on the paper, but no, it's just like, an eraser pen. All right, let's go test out this. So this is like a peach color jewel tip pen. On one side, you've got this really felt tip So I love this color, it's so light. And then on the other is like a marker. So I think I have the set. I'm not sure if I have this particular color, but it's a really great quality pen, writes really easily. It's from Tombow, so no surprises there. And yeah, that is everything in this month, so whatever month it is, Inku Crate. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.